Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install and configure the Victorious.Club Fantasy Sports plugin for WordPress. Now, once you've downloaded the plugin from the Victorious.Club website, and you can do so via two ways, either going to the main Victorious.Club homepage and clicking on the Buy Now button, which will take you to this page here where you can sign up and submit the form, enter your payment details, or from the home page you can click on shop and click on plugins, and you'll see the various membership levels that we have here. Either one will allow you to become a member of Victorious.Club, and either way will allow you to log in and download the plugin. Once you've downloaded the plugin, you'll go to your own website in the administration panel, and you're going to install it just like any other WordPress plugin. Let me show you to do that. So in your admin panel for WordPress, you'll go to under plugins, go to add new, then you'll click on upload plugin, and you'll select the file that you've downloaded. I've got 1.6 here. Click on open, click on install now. Once it installs, you'll have the option to activate it. Again, just like any other WordPress plugin. Here we go, activate plugin. And the plugin is installed. You'll see it here. Now, you're not done yet. You need to add your license key. You'll see the Victorious menu options here at the side. And you'll also notice that under settings, there is a Victorious entry as well. You'll need to click on this under settings, click Victorious, and right here is where you'll enter your license key, your API token license key. This is emailed to you once you purchase the plugin, and it is also available to you once you log in into the Victorious.Club website. Where you're able to download the plugin, you'll also see your API token license key. And all you do is copy and paste that into here and click on Save Changes, and that'll activate your plugin. That's how you install and configure the Victorious.Club Fantasy Sports plugin for WordPress. Now, all these other settings here, I'll explain to you. So these settings here are what the end user sees once they're logged into your site. Do you want them to be able to select an entry fee? You can select what entry fees the front end user sees. Same with league size. You're able to manipulate the drop-down menu so that people or users of your website can create contests, and they can create ones using these options for league size and entry fee. Payout percentage defined here is how much the site is willing to pay out per contest. Now, these entries here are the default site, the site default. You can override these per contest once you are creating a contest, and I'll show you that in a second video. So here, payout percentage being 90%, this means that the site is taking a 10% rake per contest. If someone comes in first place, they get 50% of the payout. If someone comes in second place, they get 30% of the payout. If someone comes in third place, they get 20% of the payout. Again, these can be overwritten per contest when you are creating a contest, which I'll show you a little later. Here, processing fee and exchange rate, and the exchange rate for withdrawal. These are fees that you can pass on to the user when they are making a deposit or making a withdrawal. You can set a percentage or a rate as to how much the user would pay for that. So you can pass on some of the processing fees on to the end users. Allow create contests. This will allow front end users to be able to create contests or not. So do you want your users to be able to create contests, or do you want only administrators to be able to create contests? That's this button. This will show a button, on the front end, which I'll show you in another video as well. No cash. This will hide all the references to entry fees and prizes, whatnot, so that it is not a cash site at all. It just removes all that. There's no references to prize money or prizes or entry fees or anything of that nature. No invite user list. This will hide the users on the site so that users cannot invite them to contests. You can also set a minimum deposit for deposits. Here it's set to 20. Show import pics. You can actually have a button that will import pics from other contests to make it easier. You can also receive an email when players join a contest. I'll check that. You can allow users to share teams and players, and this only works if there's a Facebook app entered. A B icon, which is for new or rookie users, and there's a little B icon next to their name for users that have entered in less than 50 contests. And you can also have weekly statistics emailed to you using this option here. So that's everything under the contest tab. Under gateway, here is where you can configure your payment gateway, how to accept deposits. You can have PayPal, PayPal Pro, PayPal app. DFS is a cryptocurrency, and Pay Simple is another payment gateway that we also come out integrated right out of the box. If there's a payment gateway that you'd like for us to integrate with, just contact us at support@Victorious.Club with your requests, and we'll integrate the payment gateway for you. In another tab under Victorious here, where you have balances, you can actually set multiple currencies, and I'll show you that in a second video as well. Under currency here, you're able to set the currency, the symbol, where it goes before or after the value. You can have multiple balances. If this feature is checked, you can have multiple balances like cryptocurrencies, XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. I'll show you how to set that up in part 2. Social, if you have a Facebook ID, you can allow your members to sign up and register with Facebook. Bracket points is what you would define for the bracket game type. If you're using NCAA or playoffs or something like that, you can define what points people get for the correct prediction in what sort of bracket that they're in. And email, this allows you to send emails from whatever you specify here and the from email. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. In the second video, I'll show you how to actually configure different types of contests. Thanks for watching.